Welcome to the personal property tour for 49 Hawthorn Street in Leven. This is a stunning 3-bedroom, 2-reception semi-detached property. You've got garden area to the front, you've got a beautiful enclosed garden to the rear. So many lovely features with this one. Some really nice surprises as well, nice detailing. It is a personal property tour. All the details are in the link above. If you click on that, you'll get the all important information about the property. And of course, the most important thing, the price point. Let me just take you on the tour. This is a stunning family home. And you can see the property there. It's so wonderful, isn't it? You've got your garden area to the front, so you've got access to your front garden here. You also have garden area to the side, so you can access your rear garden, your bin area as well. But it's lovely with the walling, isn't it? Really nice. It's in a great spot as well. Let's head on in. Just even the approach is very welcoming, isn't it? Wait till you see the stained glass door when we come in here. It's just wonderful. And you've got all the detailing from the tiles here as well. You've got that beautiful stained glass. You'll see it even more so once we're indoors. So you've got this entrance vestibule, so great for just offloading the coats, hats and things. And let's head into the inner hallway. It's just so lovely and open here, isn't it? Some nice detailing as well. You've got this lovely coving as well, and I love the way that the staircase spirals round. But if I come down here and just about turn, look at the stained glass. Isn't that wonderful? Such a lovely detail, isn't it? The Rennie Mackintosh design. I love the colourings. Right, let's head on upstairs. So as we come upstairs, you'll see we've got 3 bedrooms and we've got a WC. Nice and open here as well. Just so much detailing with the high ceilings, it's great. Coming into bedroom number 1, this is a really lovely sized room. The bay window's smashing, isn't it? Just such a lovely room, the design and the layout. You've got all of this freestanding space as well, so you could quite easily do some kind of inbuilt thing here as well. But lovely space, as you can see. That's a large bed. You've still got plenty of space. You've got cabinetry either side. And this beautiful bay window for me as well. Just such a plus. And absolutely right that you'd have your dressing table there, wouldn't you? Overlooks the front. But if you didn't want a dressing table, you could have a nice chaise lounge there as well. Got a nice coving in here too. Lovely size, isn't it? I love the old doors as well. It's such a great space. So that's bedroom number 1. We come back out into the hallway, and again you can just see how bright and open it is up here, into bedroom number 2, which is another great double room, as you can see. You've got storage in here, but plenty of space for freestandings, as you can see. Again, you've got a kind of bay set up there too. Lovely with the chair just to sit and read, maybe put your home office desk there. It's a great size, isn't it? This one overlooks the rear garden. You'll see when we go out in a second. But it's lovely, you can see the church steeples there. Something quite nice about that, isn't it? It's a very tranquil garden. You'll see that when we go out. But this is a lovely sized room as well. For the second room, it's really large, isn't it? So that's bedroom number 2. And then come back out into the hallway and then into bedroom number 3. Currently a children's room, and it's just wonderful the way it's set up. It's lovely, isn't it? So plenty of space for freestanding. You could quite easily get a double bed in here, as you can see. But it's a good size, isn't it? For our third room. It's a great children's room. And that's bedroom number 3. And then a great use of what used to be the cupboard. This is where your WC is. So nicely designed, isn't it? So you've got your WC and you've got your vanity wash hand basin. Great use of space, isn't it? You've got a cupboard area in there as well. Right, storage here too. Let's head on downstairs. It's just so nice when you come down there, isn't it? That glass is beautiful. As you can see, you have plenty of space here for coats and shoes, etc. And then we'll come into the sitting room, which for me is just a beautiful space. The benefit of that bay window, and you've got so much detailing in here as well. So you've got the ceiling rose, you've got the cornicing, you've got the detail that comes down the side of the window. But that is a really large sofa, and there is still, as you can see, plenty of space. If I come across here, you'll see just how large this room is. Really spacious, isn't it? It's a great family room. You also have some storage and shelving. Just come across here and you can see again what a lovely space it is, isn't it? And that's your sitting room. Back out into the hallway. And then just under here, you've got some storage, and then your bathroom is straight ahead, or shower room even. But again, lovely way it's designed. So you've got your inset WC, your vanity wash hand basin, you've got your shower with your thermostatic controls. But it's lovely finish. You've got all the storage area here as well. I love the curve here. It's really quite quirky, isn't it? Really lovely. And that's your bathroom space. Now from here, we're going to head into the dining room. This is a lovely big room. Really spacious living with this one. As you can see, you've got all of this area over here as well. So it really does offer a great family room. It's a nice size, isn't it? You've got your window to the rear garden. You've got a display cabinet in here as well. But again, just to sit and read, have a little glass of wine. Oops. You're entertaining your family. It just looks wonderful, doesn't it? It's great space. You could easily have a sofa in here as well, couldn't you, if you wanted to do that? It's a lovely, lovely room. Great for entertaining, isn't it? And again, you've got the cornicing. Such high ceilings, it's wonderful. Come into the kitchen space, plenty of cabinetry and areas for freestanding. So we've got fridge, freezer, you've got your washing machine, dishwasher. Integrated wise, you've got oven, hob and extractor. But lots of space in here as well, considering you've got all of that family room connected to it. Window to the side, and then you've got these lovely patio doors taking you out into the garden as well, which we'll see in a second. It's lovely, isn't it? It's a great space. Let's head on outside. So you've got this lovely decked area here with the glass balustrade. It's very welcoming, isn't it? Makes you just want to come and sit out here. It's a really nice area. Such a relaxing space, isn't it? And down the side you've also got an area where you could easily shed some additional storage. But this is a lovely spot, isn't it? Very inviting. All you can hear is the birds. Feels very country garden, doesn't it? If we come along here, come down the steps, you can see that was your gate to the side where your bin store is. You've got a large storage area there as well. And as we come into the garden, you'll see it's very tranquil, peaceful garden. Got another seating area here. You've got a large patio area over there as well. Again, another seating area. If we come down to the bottom, looks lovely, doesn't it? Very tranquil. And I love the fact that you've got all this walled garden area over here. You've got no one overlooking you whatsoever. It's just a great space. Somewhere you can just come and relax, isn't it? And you're going to get the sun most of the day too, because it comes here. This is the church steeple here, so it's coming up and round. So you're going to have some great sunshine. So just to recap for you then, this is the personal property 2 for 49 Hawthorn Street in Leven. As you've seen, it's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-reception, semi-detached property. You've got your garden area to the front, you've got this beautiful tranquil garden area here at the rear as well. Really does feel cottagey, doesn't it? On top of that, all the detailing, the high ceilings, the ceiling roses, the Rennie Mackintosh, that's just gorgeous, that stained glass door, isn't it? Really does offer some nice features, this property, doesn't it? And it's in a great location. Location-wise, it is perfect. You can literally walk to the retail park, the high street, the train station, and that's giving you those direct links to Edinburgh city centre. You're maybe about a 10-minute walk, you're at Leven Glen. 5 minutes down that road, you're into the high street, and then on to the Fife coastal path into that beach. You've got that golden sandy beach you can walk along, you've got the lovely promenade. If you're into your walking, cycling, running, that's a great location to be able to do it on. You're also on the bus routes here as well. So at the end of the road, you're getting the bus that's taking you to St Andrews too. So commuter-wise, it really is in a great location. On top of that, if you are outdoorsy, there's so much to do here. As I say, you've got Leven Glen, you've got the beach on your doorstep, which is just a great spot to be in within 5 minutes or so. And golf courses. You've got those to choose from in abundance, but it really is in a great location. And the high street offers you everything that you'd need. You've got restaurants, you've got bars, you've got cafes, everything really on your doorstep. And you've got a couple of primary schools within the area as well. So again, lots for you to choose from for your family. If you think this one's of interest to you, you can click on the link. It's got all the details about the property along with the all-important price point, or you can message me directly. And you can also reach out to the team on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.